Hi everybody, welcome to the show. Are you feeling perplexed? Welcome back to our channel. We share ideas, tips, and tricks around homeschooling and home education. And today I want to talk to you about that feeling you get when you're perplexed by something. Being perplexed can be this amazing call to learning. The same way good mystery or good puzzles drive us to seek understanding or find resolution, seeing the puzzling and perplexing things in our daily lives can have that same effect. There are perplexing things all around us, and seeing the perplexing things that surround us allows us to open up lots of doorways to learning that maybe you didn't know existed. In the book, The Brave Learner, Julie Bogart describes setting an item out on the coffee table for her kids to stumble upon and be curious about and learn about. And there's this amazing connection between curiosity and learning, and there's tons of articles and research on the pair and how one fuels the other. So let's take that one step further. If the journey is the learning and the curiosity is the fuel to get there, then being perplexed is the visceral reaction. It's the stepping on the accelerator. I just finished reading Dumbing Us Down by John Taylor Gatto. And in that book, he talks about how we're basically stealing time from our kids. So with the extra time this March break, we shouldn't be rushing to fill it all in or taking it up. It's okay to let kids have that time and let them discover the world of perplexing things around them. So we had supper the other night at my parents', and the girls were introduced to chopsticks for the first time. Lexi said, "What are those?" The concept of eating food with two sticks, how, why? And they both wanted to try them out, and they did, and they were actually pretty good at it. Especially for the first time. So this perplexing concept opened the door for all sorts of learning, and the next day at lunch they wanted to use them again, and Zoe even wanted to try to eat her soup with them. I don't know how that's possible. But anyway, so here's the challenge for you this March break. Ask your kids perplexing questions, show your kids perplexing things, take the time to really see the world around you, and let kids discover the world of perplexing things around them. There's an opportunity for everyone in the family to get perplexed and learn something amazing because of it. And for the challenge, I want you to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and you can use the hashtag #GetPerplexed to share your encounters with life's perplexities with us. And we'll do the same. We love seeing pictures of your family learning together and having fun doing it. And I've also added the links to the two books I mentioned below, so you can check those out if you're looking for some reading to do over the break. And speaking of reading, if you're new to homeschooling and you don't know where to start, we have the perfect book for you. It's called How to Start Homeschooling When You Have No Idea Where to Start. And since it's my birthday coming up on Saturday, March 21st, we want to give you a free copy of our ebook. So I'll add that link below, and you can pick up your free copy on my birthday. We're so happy to have you check out our video and hopefully some of our other videos too. And if you like our content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our weekly videos, so that way it helps us out and we can help you out. Leave a comment below, and don't forget to head over to Facebook and Instagram and follow us for the daily content, and join in on our challenge, our hashtag #GetPerplexed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.